Alright, what attempt are we on?
Of this mission, I don't know. How many fails? 10.
We failed 10 times. How many times did we fail before we started this recording session?
Not a clue.
Not a clue? Great.
Six.
I think we failed this mission 4 times now. Alright, let's get into it. Brutal evil. Okay. Just making sure I got those. I'm gonna wall off my mineral line like I've been doing.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again.
So tech lab right here.
This better be good. Orders received. Keep your SCV ready.
Keep building these.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
You
There
come
may be
here.
other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
Of course.
Keep trading SCVs.
SCV ready.
I like it. On the move. Excellent.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
My pleasure. How devious. Victory is ours.
SCV ready.
My pleasure.
Gangway. Coming through.
I like it. Of course. Victory is
SCV
ours.
ready.
Excellent.
Come on back.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
SCV ready. Pilot,
What's the plan?
Oh god, I heard a terrible noise.
What did you hear?
Like a dog dying.
The doctor is in.
Wasn't me.
Gladly.
Where are they going? They went all the way around.
Waiting.
There's a gap between
Never mind.
your supply depots and where my mineral line was, and they went around it.
What's the plan?
Oh.
Alright. Go attack the train.
Doctor is in.
Marines, go this way.
will do. Oh yeah. This better be good.
At the ready. On the move.
Been waiting on you. Gangway.
What's the plan?
Armed and ready.
Use stim. Well, you don't need to actually. Not for this one.
I was using stim.
I like it. I'm waiting.
Literally, as soon as you said that, it
We can
ended.
utilize the train's scrap payload to
That's
build
what.
more
That's what I
units.
looked over.
We obviously won't find many natural mineral fields here, so we should make the most of what we can salvage from the trains.
I haven't been getting upgrades because I just haven't found the time to get them.
Go on.
In the rear with the gear.
The doctor is
SCV ready.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
No. I want 2 of you to do
Check
it.
it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
I'll do base defense.
SCV ready. It's about to get heavy.
The doctor is in.
Roger. Victory is ours.
What's going on? Yep, SCV ready. Bad news. In the rear with the gear. Go on.
Our allies are being attacked.
SCV ready.
Time for wasting.
Not enough minerals.
Big job. Let's have a blast.
SCV ready.
Time's a waste. Got a whole lot of love. This
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. Better be ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
I'm not gonna don't build them at the ramp, so that, because siege tanks can show you from the low ground.
Additional supply
I'm building them
depots
more in the middle.
Huh?
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel. Additional supply depots required.
Can't really wait around for this
Not
one in
enough
itself. You gotta go
minerals.
for it.
Yep, you gotta go.
At the ready.
I'm gonna send my forces with you because it's just a bunch of medics at this point.
Our allies are being attacked.
armed and ready. Big job.
Add-on complete.
You're the boss.
Oh, nope. Stop. Go
By
here.
the numbers, boys.
Huh? I'm going.
Our allies are being attacked.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
We'll have to bust through those. Alright, I have all the base defenses set up. They should be able to hold 9 definitely. If you start getting attacked while you're at base, just fall back to the base defenses. I have some units down there.
Upgrade
Go
complete.
see.
What's on your mind? Go on. On the move. Get me out of here.
Work. Kinda. I also need to build like a missile turret because they have ghosts.
SCV ready.
Spooky.
Ghost. Anti-ghost buttons. Go. Go.
Gotcha.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Want a piece of me, boy?
Go ahead.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Our allies are being attacked.
I'll send forces to help with that. Go. Pluto, right next to your forces, there's a fire alarm bones in here. Yogos got it. Good job, Yogos. You're MVPing with those, with all of that anti-armor damage.
Our allies.
Fuck! I just took out their fucking forces.
Yeah, good
From the
job,
train.
Pluto.
No, fuck you. I don't want it anymore.
Let's have a blast.
I don't need your what the term is? I can't remember the
Pity
word.
clap.
Big job.
Praise, yeah, praise. I don't want your praise.
We hear you. Yo.
Each their own.
Yes, sir.
This better be good.
Upgrade complete.
I'm floating gas, but not minerals. So if you need gas, request it.
I don't need gas. I have 50 gas.
Let's get some more marauders.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Back, demons. Stop going forward. No, don't go into. Oh wait, good job. You went right through the tanks as soon as they started coming down. All right, let's go get this train. I feel better about this round.
Go, go, go.
Our allies are
I'll let my
being
forces
attacked.
go first because marauders do anti-armor damage.
You gonna give me orders? By the numbers, boys.
Let me get this bunker.
Can't fill the fucking barracks with all your fucking SUVs. Wait, is this SUV damn kind of build stuff somewhere? What the fuck even is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's stuck. Yep, it's my fault.
Alright, I'm gonna come back to the main area. Get more hammer security. Get more medics.
That's a terrible spot.
I have SCVs there, so if you hold position, your units, my SCVs will go and repair all your Diamondbacks. Actually, you're already doing that. Good job. Good job, Yogos. Do you have
Sir,
your armory
I'm
upgrades for
detecting
your
Dominion
Diamondbacks?
kill teams
Perfect.
patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
If we're going to
I'll
engage
mark their
those,
location
I
with a
will
red
push my
warning
forward
symbol.
forces first
Still,
because
we should
Marauders
try
do
to avoid
anti-armor
them.
damage.
Best we ignore them unless they come to us.
I mean,
Alright.
we could,
We-
but the bottom one's like pushing up my ramp, so...
Alright, I'll go down there. Moving my forces around
SCV ready.
as they sneak through our map.
Got it.
Yeah.
Of course.
The doctor
Put
is in.
sleeves on there for now. Get more war pigs. Get more medics.
You gonna give me orders?
A train is coming
Alright.
through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
I'm gonna take out these
The doctor is in.
bunkers while I'm here.
You got it.
You gotta be fast on these trains, by the way.
Yep.
Can't wait. Why not?
Anyways, what train?
Train is dead.
Additional supply depots required.
Alright, let's
Do we have
go.
to do the
Let's go back.
Diamondback location?
No, that's not an optional objective. The Defiler bones are
It's
the
just-
research.
Mineral field
Yeah.
completed.
There's one at the bottom right still.
Right there. If
We
you
got
could
2 more
like,
trains.
if you can snake a Diamondback across and sneak it over there, that'd be great.
What's
Here
going on?
we go.
Yep. Sure thing. I'm going.
Such a cluttered mess.
This is a glorious base that we have.
Yep. Did I lose a bunker? I lost a bunker at some point.
Got the buns.
Good job.
No damage taken.
There is an option. There is a second base up here, but
Our
it's not
allies
worth
are
getting.
being attacked.
Never
No.
mind. Damage was definitely taken.
Attack wave incoming, bottom. I have a sentry tower up. Stutter step forward.
Oh,
Stutter step. Perfect. Back to the base.
Our
Heal up.
allies' base is under attack.
Go up.
Train is
There's a
approaching
nuclear
through a
launch
tunnel in
coming.
the
Kill that guy.
northwest.
what?
Yes, sir.
That'll fuck us up completely.
Got him.
That would have fucked us up completely.
Lower your goddamn depots, Yogos. Thank you. Oh, that we might be missing this one because of that.
Mineral field completed.
I've got enough Diamondbacks.
Good job, Yogos.
What about me?
Good job,
I got a
Yogos.
bunch of fucking marines. They did a shit ton of damage there.
Kill the bunker. Might as well go get those resources. I'm floating resources now, so I'm just gonna
I'm at my cap, so that's why I'm floating.
build marauders and medics, and not get caught by this
Our
death
allies'
team.
base is under
Alright, so where do you
attack.
think the last train goes?
Our allies
Going
are being
down,
attacked.
up, so I'm gonna go over. Probably bottom track if I was to guess.
Yeah.
Better send
Which,
some body bags.
depending on where
doctor is
that
in.
kill team is, it could be problematic.
You gonna give me orders? Outstanding.
I retreat my forces around the kill teams. There's not even enough time on this mission to call down all of my mercs.
The doctor is in.
Well, you know, you don't have to have all of them.
That's fine.
Alright, we have the glob of forces. We could probably dive the train, just click on it.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Probably, honestly.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of
There's a kill
whatever they
team
were
coming
juicing the
to attack
trains
us as
with.
well at the same time. We should
Putting
deal with
out
them.
bigger escorts, though.
It's a bunch of
Better
marauders,
watch
so I
ourselves.
trust you guys to deal with that.
I'm on it.
I'm gonna kill the train.
Pluto,
Our
why are you
allies
throwing?
are being attacked.
It's fine. I have the Marauder Squad.
This train is about to have a bad day.
Yeah, it's
Uh-oh.
not even gonna survive.
I only have medics pretty much.
And we win.
Yeah, don't worry about that, Chief.
Good job.
How's that phone when that's all we had to fucking do?
Detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Good job, Yogos.
I've got just a few
MVP.
Diamondbacks, guys. Don't worry.
This only.
Look at my medics though.
This was a 15-minute mission.
Online. System recording.
Medics don't deal damage,
New
Pluto.
Gettysburg
Diamondbacks
Defense
do.
Initiative.
No, but they do
Submit
tank.
access codes.
Yeah, I'm the only reason your Diamondback survived.
I'm the
That's
only reason.
not.
I'm the only
That
reason. I
is
killed
not.
the Marauder kill team.
Neither
I
of
killed all
these
the
things
escort on the train,
The
and also delayed them.
The escort is scary because they have siege breakers. All right.
Upgrades.
Do I want radio free Zerg with sensor tower stuff? Sensor tower. Let's go. I'm also gonna. I don't have a lot of money, so I'm just gonna get the supply depot upgrade, so I don't have to build as many of them.
Welcome, Command.
800.
We have research,
Yeah, okay.
but not enough.
Have you seen my stapler?
Oh, it was
Little
Zerg
hint,
research.
red.
Okay. I was like, man, they are not giving us the Protoss research.
I feel like I might as well just get the fucking bunker upgrades as well and do a little bit of defense as well.
Welcome, Command.
No,
Yeah,
I recommend not.
Fresh mer contracts for you.
Well, he's
There's
focusing infantry,
nothing
and you shove those in
else.
bunkers.
There's nothing else I really care for.
Well, there will be stuff in the future though.
Okay.
Mercs are also good if you're getting if you're getting at least get the war pigs and the marauders.
Nah.
Welcome,
Get the
Commander.
war pigs, the marauders, and anything infantry. You're going infantry, so
Welcome, Commander.
I guess we're all going infantry now that I think about it.
I am going to dip
Simply
now.
incorrect.
You guys take care.
You don't want to do one more mission?
I'm gonna dip. I get too tired.
I only woke up like a couple hours ago.
I woke up to a fucking house alarm.
Ha!
Hell.
Yep. Alright. Good night, guys.
Bye all. Stop recording.